Looking for a 12-inch cordless miter saw? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 5 12-inch cordless miter saw available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect cordless miter saw for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5 on our list. We have the Ryobi 18-volt 1+7 1/4-inch cordless miter saw, P551. This model is incredibly light. It weighs 17.4 pounds, which is significantly less than the other saws in our evaluation. Even though it isn't a sliding saw, you might be able to make a large crosscut on a 24 material dot because the Ryobi P551 cordless miter saw is a dual bevel saw. It can make 45-degree cuts on both the left and right sides. On the left and right, there are various miter angle stops ranging from 0 to 45 degrees. The 7 1/4 inch and 24 teeth blade deliver a maximum cutting depth of 1/2 inch. That means that you can cut considerably thick materials without having to flip them over. The cutting capacity is 4 1/43 at 90 degrees and 33 at 45 degrees. I also like the fact that there is an included laser guide that might help you achieve high accuracy in various cutting jobs. The 9-amp motor yields a speed of 4,500 RPM, which likely enhances the efficiency of the saw. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 4 on our list, we have the Milwaukee 273420 M18. The M18 battery is the Milwaukee 273420's most notable feature. It has a maximum cutting capacity of 400 cuts per charge. You have to admit, that's an impressive battery life. While you might also be able to swap batteries and chargers with other Milwaukee power tools, if you have any. This could help you save money. Working with this equipment can also assist you in taking advantage of the numerous advantages of cordless power tools. Its independence without the fear of stumbling over wires or the need to operate near a wall outlet. The saw features a 20-inch blade that could be vital in achieving deep, clean cuts in your operations. The 60-tooth blade, backed by a 4,000 RPM motor, could make it easier to achieve smoother cuts. The saw can cut a base up to 5 3/43 in height or 5 1/43 nested against the fence. The horizontal cutting capacity is 2 × 12 at 90 degrees and 2 × 12 at 45 degrees. At number 4 on our list, we have the Dewalt DCS361B cordless sliding miter saw. This cordless miter saw features a solid appearance that can appeal to you if you're looking for a long-lasting tool. Unlike the Milwaukee model we looked at before, this one has a sliding feature. While you might be able to create cuts at impossible angles with a sliding miter saw. During operations, the head can be moved back and forth, increasing the length of cut. This Dewalt DCS361B features a stainless steel deton that gives you 11 positive stops. This stops could enable you to make angled cuts much faster since the measurements are accurately preset. The Dewalt sliding cordless miter saw runs on a 20 volts motor that yields a maximum speed of 3750 RPM. This speed falls slightly behind what you would get with the Milwaukee 18. The saw is compatible with 7 1/4-inch blades. It can cut 5 3/4 inches in vertical position nested against the fence. In a flat position, the extent of cut is 2 × 12 inches at 90 degrees and 5 1/4 inches at 45 degrees. The included cam lock miter handle might help you achieve miter cuts much faster. At number 3 on our list, we have the Dewalt DCS361B cordless sliding miter saw. This cordless miter saw features a solid appearance that can appeal to you if you're looking for a long-lasting tool. Unlike the Milwaukee model we looked at before, this one has a sliding feature. While you might be able to create cuts at impossible angles with a sliding miter saw. During operations, the head can be moved back and forth, increasing the length of cut. This Dewalt DCS361B features a stainless steel deton that gives you 11 positive stops. This stops could enable you to make angled cuts much faster since the measurements are accurately preset. The Dewalt sliding cordless miter saw runs on a 20 volts motor that yields a maximum speed of 3750 RPM. This speed falls slightly behind what you would get with the Milwaukee 18. The saw is compatible with 7 1/4-inch blades. It can cut 5 3/4 inches in vertical position nested against the fence. In a flat position, the extent of cut is 2 times 12 inches at 90 degrees and 5 1/4 inches at 45 degrees. The included cam lock miter handle might help you achieve miter cuts much faster. At number 2 on our list, we have the Ryobi 18V1 Plus 110 in. Sliding miter saw P3650B. Ryobi has released a 10-inch brushless saw that performs similarly to the Milwaukee 273420 M18. The brushless motor is the most notable feature here, since it may make this saw more powerful and energy efficient than the competition. The P3650B miter saw is the latest ONE+ product to use two 18V1 Plus batteries. That means you'll get the most power here, up to 36 volts. The power of this cordless miter saw greatly beyond the voltages of the cordless miter saws we previously tested. The two batteries deliver 370 cuts per charge. 0.4000 RPM is the speed you get from the Ryobi's brushless motor. This speed goes toe-to-toe with the Milwaukee's 273420 M18. Together with a 10-inch blade of 40 teeth, you might be able to make smoother cuts with little chances of chipping. The aluminum design of this cordless saw comes out as sturdy. You might be able to get many years of service from this tool. The saw has small rubber feet on the base that keeps it steady during operations. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the Rigid R48607K cordless sliding miter saw. This is a little cordless miter saw that only weighs 24 pounds. That most likely correlates to unrestricted mobility and stress-free employment. The LED light for free operating in low light settings is another feature on the Rigid R48607K miter saw that you might find appealing. In light of this, you might be able to enhance the accuracy of your cuts. The saw runs on an 18 volts battery that pits it right against the Milwaukee M18 and the Dewalt DCS361B miter saws. This is also a dual bevel saw that could manage 45-degree cuts left and right. The included 10 positive stops allow moving the saw head with ease for quick and precisely angled cuts. The blade diameter, in this case, is 7 1/4 inch and gives a maximum crosscut capacity of 23x83 at 90 degrees and 23x63 at 45 degrees. Beware though that you might find the motor speed of 3650 RPM to be lagging in massive projects. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.